Oh. Our adventure starts here at 1 Henry Adams. But first, we need to find food. We're starting here in the Mission District. We're gonna bike through Golden Gate Park, then explore this giant lake. Not exactly sure where we're going. We went too far. There, well, there was roadwork, so we need to go around. We got distracted by the cops. We just rode through the roadwork sign because we're trying to get to McDonald's or somewhere to eat food. So we have this whole street to ourselves. From right here, you can totally tell that the Salesforce Tower is the tallest building over in downtown, because you can't see anything else. 3 McChickens and 2 fries? Sounds good. Yeah. What a kind guy. What'd you get? 2 fries. 2 fries, 3 McChickens, 4 things of a lot of ketchup. Are you eating this here? I have no clue what you're eating. I'm eating it. He likes fries. Taking our jackets off as soon as heat up. Ross and I are now biking in the Panhandle, trying to avoid hitting pedestrians. So what are you going to talk about? Everybody outside work, making my job in work to actually do things I want to do. So what do you want to do, Ross? I want to start a side hustle that actually makes money. I want to earn half my salary a day after work so that I can spend half of that on programming projects and half of that on travel. That sounds cool. How do you plan on earning half your salary after work? I'm going to do contract programming, so it pays me while it teaches me. What kind of programming do you think you're going to end up doing? Python, growth hacking, startup stuff. I don't actually know. That sounds pretty cool. It is pretty cool. What are you going to be working on? I'm interested in finding some more Amazon Alexa contracts, moving out of my apartment this month, and doing more podcasting and storytelling. Those are all great goals. Yeah, thanks. Golden Gate Park really is one of the gems of San Francisco. Yeah, we're constantly finding new things, like a frisbee golf course. Once we get a frisbee golf frisbee, we'll come and play. There's like group activities on this. Like, you know, on a sports team, you've got like 25 friends. Chuck, 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 chuck. Hydration. Ocean Beach. We should go to the beach more often. We should go to the beach, period. So Ross, do you have any non-career related goals? Yeah, I want to go on more dates. I went on one last weekend and it was pretty fun. What'd you do? I just went and played tennis with someone that I barely knew. We got to know each other. Sounds like a lot of fun. So what's holding you back from going on more dates? I gotta figure out where to meet people that are like-minded. You're on Tinder, right? Yep. Is that working out for you? No. Well, ladies, if you're looking for someone, he's about yay tall, handsome, well-built. His name's Ross. It's horrible. I would not put that in the video. He doesn't want me to put this in the video, but it's anyway. His contact information's in the description below. I hope not. Quick detour at the sand dunes. wow. I guess it takes a bit more practice. Do it again. Aren't you dizzy?
No.
I'm gonna run. Let's do this. Nice.
I'm gonna forward.
Nope. It went down. Oh. Just took a quick detour with Mike and Bob to jump down the sand hill here. We got some serious distance. Open road. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So with Ross, we talked about getting contract jobs, doing marketing, finding some girls to date. And while we were biking, we talked about going surfing, sailing, just finding some other fun leisure activities. So Ross, here's to getting started. Let's do it.